everyone, it's Miss Swahil. How are you doing? Good? I'm so excited because, what? Yeah, I have a backpack because I'm going back to school. Are you excited? Vacation is over. We're going back to school to see our friends, our teachers, and have fun at school and learn. And that's why today we are going to learn words and phrases in Papiamentu that has all to do about school. So, are you ready to learn? Say si, mitakla. Good. And guess what? We have a special guest today. Her name is Omi. Can you say Omi? So stay till the end of the video to sing a special song with Omi. Let's go! School in Papiamentu is skol. Skol. Can you say skol? Yes, good. And let's see, what is this? My backpack. Backpack in Papiamentu is tas. Tas. Can you say that? Say tas. Good, let's say it together. Tas. Let's look inside my tas and see what we have inside my tas. Ooh. We have a folder. Folder in Papiamentu is map. Map. Good. Let's say it together. Map. Let's see what else we have in my backpack, in my tas. Ooh. We got a notebook. Notebook in Papiamentu is scrif. Can you say scrif? Yes. Good. Okay, let's see what else we have in my tas. We have a pencil case. A pencil case in Papiamentu is itui. Itui. Let's say it together. Itui. Good. Now let's see what's in the itui. Ooh, let's open the itui. Let's see what we find here. A pencil. A pencil in Papiamentu is potlot. Potlot. Okay, say potlot. Good. Let's say it together. Potlot. Good. Let's see what else we got here. We got a pen. A pen in Papiamentu is pen. Yeah, it's easy, right? Pen. Pen in Papiamentu is pen. We got glue. Glue in Papiamentu is lame. Can you say lame? Good. Lame. Let's see what else we got here. We got a scissor. A scissor to cut pieces of paper. A scissor in Papiamentu is scare. Scare. Let me hear you say scare. Okay, let's say it together. Scare. Good. Look, we got some markers. Markers in Papiamentu is stift. Stift. Yes. Let me hear you say stift. Good. Good job. Let's see what else we got here. In our etui, we got an eraser. An eraser in Papiamentu is gum. Can you say gum? Okay. Let's say it one more time. Gum. Good. Hum tabay ding itui. Hum is gonna go in our itui. Good. Let's see what else we got that we didn't mention. Let's see. Ooh, we found a ruler. A ruler in papiamentu is lineal. Lineal. Can you say that? Say lineal. Good. Now let's say it together. Lineal. Okay, good job. Let's see. And I think that was everything in our itui. In our itui, we have lame, pen, stift, potlood. We have scare, hum, y lineal. Wow! Also, in our backpack, our tas, we have a lunchbox. A lunchbox in papiamentu is tronchi pang. Can you say that? Say tronchi pang. Good. Let's say it together. Tronchi pang. Another thing that we have in our backpack is a bottle of water. We need a bottle of water in our tas. Bottle of water in papiamentu is boter de agua. Okay, yeah, that's 3 words. Let's say it together. Boter de agua. Can you say that fast? Boter de agua, boter de agua, boter de agua. Boter de agua is bottle of water. Good. That also goes in our tas. Teacher in papiamentu is juffrouw. Juffrouw. Can you say juffrouw? Good. Juffrouw. Classroom in papiamentu is class. Class. Can you say that? Say class. Okay, let's say it one more time together. Class. Good. Restroom in papiamentu is baño. Baño. Okay, let's say that one more time. Say baño. Okay, baño. Learn in papiamentu is sinha. Can you say that? Say sinha. Good. Read in papiamentu is lesa. Lesa. Can you say lesa? Okay, let's say it together. Lesa. Write in papiamentu is skirbi. Skirbi. Write. Let's say it together. Skirbi. Good. When you have to ask for something, you raise your hand. Raise your hand in papiamentu is hisa bomang. Okay? Repeat after me. Hisa bomang. Okay? Now you say it. Hisa bomang. Good. Good job. The answer in papiamentu is e contesta. Now you say e contesta. E contesta. Listen in papiamentu is escucha. Escucha. Can you say that? Let's hear you say escucha. Good. Share is compartir. Share is compartir. Comparti. Okay, repeat after me. Comparti. Comparti. Stand up is lanta para. When teacher says stand up, it is lanta para. Good. Repeat after me. Lanta para. Clean up is limpia. Clean up. Limpia. Okay, can you say that? Say limpia. Okay, let's say it together. Limpia. Good. Let's learn some short phrases in Papiamentu. Good morning, teacher. In Papiamentu is Bon dia, juffrouw. Can you repeat after me? Say bon dia, juffrouw. Okay, let's say it together now. Bon dia, juffrouw. I like going to school. In Papiamentu is me gusta bij school. Repeat after me. Me gusta bij school. Me gusta bij school. Can I go to the restroom? In Papiamentu is me por bij baño. Say me por bij baño. This is my backpack. In Papiamentu, you say essa aqui tá mi tas. Repeat after me. Essa aqui tá mi tas. Essa aqui tá mi tas. This is my backpack. I like to learn new things. In Papiamentu is me gusta sinha cos novo. Me gusta sinha cos novo. Okay, let's say it all together. Me gusta sinha cos novo. I like to read. In Papiamentu is me gusta lesa. Me gusta lesa. Okay, can you repeat after me? Say me gusta lesa. I write a story. Me ta scrivi un cuenta. Repeat after me. Me ta scrivi un cuenta. Okay, let's say it all together. Me ta scrivi un cuenta.
Contamos nang amita omi. Awe nos vecia poesia rítmico. O Santa Clara, bisa si mita clara. Eta vai assim daqui. Mucha nang bintende, mucha nang bin escucha, mucha nang bintende, mucha nang bin escucha. Bota prepara, discolde comincia, discolde comincia. Esta dushi se lota. Esta dushi se lota. Prepara botas, pa bonque da atrás, Pen potlood gemitwi, Tronchipam porquê da fo. Mucha nang, awonos van repetir, paso nos cinco sinye. Ok, eta vai assim daqui. Mucha nang bintende. Mucha nang bin escucha. Bota prepara. Discolde comincia. Preparar botas. Preparar botas. Pabongkeda atrás. Pabongkeda atrás. Pen potloodgum etui. Pen potloodgum etui. Bom. Tronchipang porqueda fo. Tronchipang porqueda fo. Bom, muchanang. Agora vamos é poesia rítmico. Bambi se junto agora. Muchanang bintende. Muchanang bin escucha. Muchanang bintende. Muchanang bin escucha. Bota prepara. Bota prepara. Discolde comienza. Discolde comienza. Esta dushi, esta dushi, esta dushi é selota. Esta dushi, esta dushi, esta dushi é selota. Preparar botas. Preparar botas. Pabongkeda atrás. Pabongkeda atrás. Pen potloodgum etui. Pen potloodgum etui. Tronchipang porqueda fo. Tronchipang porqueda fo.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!